I have pain right from here to here. That is one part, and also this. Now this is long standing.
That's for how long?
It goes and comes, keeps coming.
फिर भी कितना time?
At least 1 to 2 years.
1 to 2 years. And that keeps coming and going. It's like हर साल में कितनी बार आता है? Episodes are
Quite often.
okay. It's not a continuous pain. It comes as episodes.
It's more tender.
But it comes as episodes,
Yes.
not as a continuous thing.
Yes.
And does that ever travel down the thigh till the end?
No, it doesn't travel, but when I press over here, I kind of feel better over here.
Okay. So this has been bothering since how long?
This has been since 2-3 months. Again, I'm overexerted. Like I did some form of yoga which I was not used to.
So where is the pain in the knee? Sideways.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
very bad now. Then first I used to be able to sit in Palki and in Vajrasan. So there used to be just out of 10, say just 2 months pain.
Okay.
Then slowly it became so much so that now.
Do you have to limp because of pain?
No, but while getting up,
There is pain.
yes.
And do you have a problem in squatting, or you are unable to squat?
Yeah, now I can.
You are unable to squat. While walking, do you feel the knee will give way sometimes? It will just buckle.
Yeah.
It buckles.
Yeah. So I have had 2-3 episodes where I have to stop and.
Okay. During that buckle, do you feel intense pain and you are not able to move for the next few moments, or it's just that second of a buckle and that's it? Okay. Have you had any pain going down the lateral aspect of your thigh?
Yeah.
Huh. No.
But
Okay.
like around this place, it's.
There is
very
some.
bad.
Okay. ठीक. Right now. Face there. Foot here. So we are looking at two pathologies. Degenerative changes of the spine and degenerative changes in the knee. Possibility of degenerative change in the spine giving a referred pain to the knee is also to be kept in mind rather than pure two separate pathologies. Looks like knee also because she is talking about specific the knee causing pain and restriction of certain knee movements. Looking for any varus valgus. Now she has a valgus of more than 15-20 degrees, so she's probably born with a little extra valgus both sides, right? Her side to side patellar mobility is beautiful, so we are not looking at patellofemoral pathology. Unlikely, not unlikely. Then look for pressure on the patellofemoral joint. I am unable to feel any crepitus or crack. You are getting lot of pain? Quite a bit. So there is tenderness, but there is no crepitus. Is this tender? Is this tender? This? Ouch. This? So this was more tender or this was more tender? This. What about here? Yeah, it is. So we're looking at both hamstrings, the medial and lateral hamstrings being more tender than the patellofemoral. So that explains her inability to straighten up immediately after a certain sitting time. Then try to see if you can stretch the hamstrings and give her pain. Is it giving you pain?
On the knee.
Yeah. So hamstring stretch is giving her pain. That hurts you? No. Compare that to this. This versus this stretch. This hurts where?
There's a lot of stiffness.
But where did the hurt or the discomfort? Yeah. So we are looking at a possibility of hamstring getting affected as a possibility. Then look for IT band tightness. Ab ढीला रखो. No. Yeah. So there is IT band tightness. When I'm trying to go it here, this goes more tight.
And it's spinning me.
Right. So this hurts. Yeah. So the IT band is tight and tender also. There is no effusion. There is no synovitis. Bend. She has a full range of motion. Then look for ligamentous laxity. Not there. No. If you have to look for true anterior, you have to see from here. It's because out of experience that I know how much is the giveaway, but you to इधर बैठ के ऐसा देख. This patella, then the patellar tendon, and then the tibia. They are in one line.
Yeah.
If there is laxity, the tibia will translate anteriorly. Not translating, right? Not translating downwards. Now look for rotational stress for menisci. I'm sorry I'm not able to hold her in the right way because then I will come in the way of everyone. But you're supposed to hold there and then do this. That hurts, not so much. That hurts, not so much. Now, same feeling, no difference in the quality of touch. This I am checking from the spine perspective. Take your toes up, tight, dum laga ke. Push them down. Right. Chhod do. Now turn on this side. People who have tight IT bands and have posterolateral hip pains are also people who have poorer hip abductors. So is this tender?
Yes.
Yes. So these are all trochanteric enthesopathies like hamstring enthesopathies. And I'm expecting her to have a poorer hip abductor power with some pain. इसको ऊपर उठाइए. See, this is almost just 4/5. So that is poorer strength. Did that hurt you when I did this?
No.
Abhi, lie down, prone.
Okay, I just did clean an edge.
वो no, painless था. Pain. This hurts, yeah. This hurts.
No.
A lot of times the PSI, the posterior iliac spine, is tender, which is a very common concomitant with a lot of spine pathologies. That hurts. Right. Now try to do a Bhujangasana. Max that you can go. Any pain anywhere? Where? Okay. Fine. Now will you be able to shift both your hips towards your right? Yeah. उठा के लेके जाओ और हाँ थोड़ा और नहीं don't move the feet. Feet यहीं रहेंगे खाली. You are like going into a C. हाँ super. अभी पेन है कहीं पे. Now hold it there. Just 2 minutes. Does that change your pain in any way?
No.
Now, in this Teda position, get this here and do the Teda Bhujangasana. Do it. Don't try to straighten. Don't try to straighten from here. Where is the pain? Here or there? Right. Chalo, ho gaya. So you have two components, ma'am. Aja. You have a degenerative change in the spine, which is given rise to what is known as a posterolateral derangement, and you have a enthesopathy around the knee, the hamstring and the IT band. So you need good physio. Both are degenerative, but very mild. So you don't have a proper osteoarthritis, but you have that early change which is given you this. A lot of bucklings are not true bucklings. They are just that 1 second of pain not allowing full contraction. And I feel that the way her posterolateral derangement of the spine is, if she corrects that, her knee will become faster, better. So a lot of times, though there is a local pathology, the proximal pathology worsens the distal one. Meaning symptoms wise. Huh? So you treat your primary guy better, the knee will start resolving faster.
So then, sir, what exercises will you from top to bottom?
So for the spine, I will teach them what I made you do. Get onto the off side, that is known as hip off center extensions. So that will reduce the posterolateral derangement. Once that happens, and of course together I'll improve the hip abductor power, the vastus medialis power, and stretch the IT band by some releases. So all that will help the whole system. That's what I was talking about the other time. Kinetic control, पूरा ऊपर से नीचे एक पूरा kinetic chain रहता है. That kinetic chain has to be, improved upon. These two things as needies of knee pain.